सर्वेऽपि सुखिनः सन्तु, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्.
Chauvisgam Patel Samaj is a union of 24 villages. We are socially united people working for upliftment of people through education. Our new project is for healthcare and medicine. We, the member of this union, were thinking of a hospital. It was during this time we came to know that Dr. Paresh Patel had decided to come to India to serve the people of his motherland.
I was in the US for nearly 36 years. Me and my wife both worked there. And I always had in the back of my mind that I want to serve my people. When I left in India, one older person from my town told me that, Paresh, you went to medical school, you are number one student, but you are not no good to us because you are leaving the country. That touched my heart, and I always wanted to come back. And finally, me and my wife made a decision that we are going to go back to India and serve our people.
Then he bought the land in a posh area of Anand town to set up his hospital. The members of Chauvisgam Patel Samaj met Dr. Paresh and requested him to join with the Samaj to establish the big hospital in Borsad.
The people from our Samaj came to me and said that instead of building the hospital in Anand, why don't you serve our area? So after talking with everybody in Samaj, we decided, okay, we will find a place in Borsad, near Borsad, around Borsad, and we'll start the hospital there. And that's when all this started.
After healthy discussions, Dr. Paresh Patel joyfully agreed to join this new venture of the Samaj for all the people of this area and Gujarat as a whole. The new charitable trust is registered with the government of Gujarat. The name of the trust is Chauvisgam Sachidanand Medical and Research Center. The trust is non-profiting, self-financed NGO. Dr. Paresh Patel is the president of this trust. The trust has its constitution and governing body of the management. A good work for the public began with the cooperation of the well-to-do members of the Samaj. The trust brought the 15 acre of farmland on Singlav Road in Borsad. All the legal procedures related to land possession are over and now we own the land. After the permission of NA, we have started the construction of the hospital building. The work is going on. In the meantime, we began the operation of a hospital. In the modified girls' dormitory building on the MZ Patel Education Campus in Behra, Gujarat. Shraddha Hospital is the name of a new service center. The opening ceremony for Shraddha Hospital was held on January 4, 2008. The ceremony was well attended by numerous NRIs, local Indian government officials and many people of the surrounding locality. Swami Sachidanandji, Honorable Health Minister Mr. Jay Narayan Vyas and Dr. C.L. Patel specially attended the function. Shraddha Hospital has qualified RMO, primary physician, and Dr. Paresh Patel himself provides surgical services. We hire necessary doctors as per needs. We have a head nurse, 9 assistant nurses, X-ray unit, and experienced lab technicians. We also have qualified administrative staff. We have our own ambulance for the patients. We have in-house medical store. We sell almost all medicines of good quality at low prices. We arrange free diagnostic camps in different villages and in our hospital also. We offer a wide variety of routine lab tests and X-rays. We distribute medicines free of charge. More than 1,000 patients have received basic healthcare through these camps. Since the inception of the hospital in 2008, nearly 50,000 patients have been treated and taken advantage of our medical services at very affordable charges. Dear donors and supporters of this charitable endeavor, we request you to look into present. We have started the construction work of the hospital building. It is a big project of crores of rupees, and undoubtedly the money is to come from donors like you. It's our humble request to you.
I am asking all the people of the Samaj who are in India, or they are in UK, or they are in USA, or any other place in the world. I'm extending my hands to you. I want you to open up your heart and please help us for this good cause. Without your help, this dream will not be possible.
We request you to pass this message to our fellow well-wishers and donors. We wait for your positive response. We are thankful to you for the wholehearted cooperation.
Namaskar, my dear community member. Chavisgaon community has been successfully managing the excellent English medium school for our new generation, and that is why Chavisgaon community is now well known in the Charotar area. Our hospital project will take us to the state level recognition for our community because patients from all over Gujarat area are receiving their treatment at our hospital. I guarantee you that in 10 years you will have great pride to say, I am from Chavisgaon, because we will be well known in all over Gujarat. I request you to send your pledge donation to us as soon as possible so we can finish our hospital building by end of 2013. Thank you very much. God bless all of us.
Dear friends, as you have seen in the video, so far we have already started our hospital project to fulfill our dreams. As you know, Shraddha Hospital has been in operation and running very smoothly since 2008 with the help and support of donors like you. I personally request all donors to fulfill their commitment at this time, as well as asking all donors to pay at least 2 lakh or more as soon as possible to continue our hospital construction. We know you have always been a well-wishers of our Chavisgaon Samaj, and I am counting on your full support to finish our dream to build a hospital. Thank you very much. God bless Chavisgaon.